Hey everyone, Shraddha here. You can see this right here. So yesterday night I created and uploaded a video. So I said that maybe they'll take some time to reply for my message. So it's like if you are facing issue where you are not getting your refund from LinkedIn, you are not getting any human support from LinkedIn, only AI agent is there. So this video is for you guys, okay? For all of those who are struggling to get the refund. You can see this right here. So at 3:26 a.m. I got this reply. So see, there would be two ways. If there would be any LinkedIn subscription refund expert as a human support, then they will directly say ask you to share a screenshot, will ask you further questions, what is the amount and all these things, and they will refund your money then and there. But if that person is not an expert in refund and all, then they will share this link. You can see this right here. I'll put this link in the description box. Just click on this link and raise your refund request. You can see this right here. Click on request a refund. Okay, you can see this. Click on submit. Okay, I should not have clicked it here. You just need to click on say refund request. Okay, you can see this. So first is active. Actually I don't want them to cancel my subscription. Okay, so this is the way that you can use. You can also click on get help. Okay, so there are some ways. You can see say cancel LinkedIn premium subscription, then all these options are there. You can just see this, read it here. But for your LinkedIn cancellation and subscription refund, just click on this link. You can just tap on a refund a request, or I think you can try your best to get a person here who is a LinkedIn subscription expert, because doing so you will get your refund then and there. You need not to wait for days, and you will be keep on checking LinkedIn for your transaction also. So you can just keep on typing here about your refund. And if you are getting this kind of message that I got at 3:26 a.m. Today night, then you can just tap on this link, go for request a refund, and maybe after a few days, not few days, after one day, you can just come back here and then just ask them what's the status of my refund. Okay, so I hope it will help. And trust me, LinkedIn is the easiest. Like through LinkedIn, it's the simplest way to get your refund. They do not ask more questions, they just make a refund for your amount. Okay, so yeah, I hope you will get your refund, whatever amount is this, be it 1,000, 2,000, 5,000 or 10,000. That is 4 times 999, and one pack is also there for LinkedIn. You will get whatever amount it is. Okay, I hope this will help you. So yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and if you want me to come with any topic, let me know. I will be covering that topic too. Do like, comment, share, hype for my videos, and yeah, stay tuned. Bye, take care.